Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Siri remote has a charge and is within a few feet of the Apple TV. This allows firmware to transfer. Once done, confirm the Apple TV is on and online, then navigate to Settings, Right Arrow System, Right Arrow Software Updates, and choose Update Software. You do this because remote firmware is pushed with TV OS updates. Begin the software download. Do not unplug the Apple TV while the update is in progress, and keep the remote awake nearby. As the TV OS installer runs, maintain an uninterrupted connection. Keep the Siri remote close and avoid sleeping the Apple TV. The update can take several minutes. While it runs, the device may restart. This is normal. If your remote became unpaired, repair it by holding back and volume up for 2 to 3 seconds near the Apple TV, then follow on-screen prompts. You do this because pairing is required for the device to receive its firmware payload and confirm successful installation. Once the Apple TV reboots, check settings to confirm TV OS is current. That typically completes the remote firmware update. Make sure the remote responds to basic commands. If not, restart the Apple TV and try again. If problems persist, reset the Siri remote by holding the TV and volume down buttons until the status light blinks and then repair. One key troubleshooting tip: if the update fails, reboot both devices, ensure Wi-Fi is stable, and repeat the software update step. Connectivity is usually the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.